Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais hair. So today I will be attempting another wash and go on my 4C hair. So I just washed my hair. My hair is dripping wet right now. I didn't dry it or anything like that. That's why I have my towel around my neck to absorb some of the water. So this is the results of my wash and go on my 4C hair. So I will be showing you guys how I got these results. So wash and go is a hairstyle that you do on dripping wet natural hair to define your natural curls and coils. So it definitely brings out your natural pattern, whatever it is. So my pattern is 4C, so you would definitely see more definition. So for today, I will be using the Curl Maker and the Curl Love by Camille Rose. So after sectioning off that hair, I am applying the Curl Milk first as my moisturizer or my leave-in conditioner. And I just run it through my hair, and then after applying that curl milk, I am following up with their gel, which is the curl maker. So I apply it to that section, and then I am doing the shingling method. So the shingling method is where you twirl small pieces of hair in between your fingers to define the kinks. So if you look closely, you can see my method. I break off a small piece of hair and then I twirl it around that finger just to define it a bit. And as you can see right here, you can see a bit of definition on that section compared to the other section. So I'm just going to be repeating the same process on my hair, and make sure that you wet your hair because your hair can start to dry up as you do this method, because it does take time to actually do a wash and go. So make sure that your hair is drenched in water. So I like to keep a spray bottle to assist with that. So I'm continuing the same shingling method all over my hair, and this is actually my first time trying this combination of product. So the Camille Rose Curl Love and Curl Maker is a popular combination in the natural hair community, and I just wanted to give it a try and see how it will perform on my 4C hair, since I'm so used to seeing it on the looser hair types. But I actually love the Curl Love. It's a leave-in conditioner and a moisturizer in one. I actually use it for a lot of other hairstyles that I do. This is my first time actually using it as a wash and go. And it also smells really good. It smells more like cookies or cake. So the Curl Maker, it has a fresh citrus scent, and it's a very, very light gel. It is definitely meant for defining your hair. It's not a holding gel. This is definitely a gel for creating really soft curls. So far upon using it, I feel like this gel is a little bit too light for 4C hair. Well, both of the products are definitely on the lighter side for 4C hair, so keep that in mind. Yeah, so this is my first time doing a wash and go for the year. I'm still trying to perfect it on my 4C hair. And definitely keep in mind that 4C hair wash and go is going to look a lot different from other hair textures. You're not going to have the nice defined, perfect clumped look. It definitely looks more on the kinky side when we do a wash and go. It looks like we didn't do much to our hair. Like, I don't know. That's just the nature of 4C hair. I know there's a lot of girls on the internet going around claiming to have 4C hair when they don't. And, it can be misleading to girls who do have 4C hair. They may be thinking, oh, something is wrong with my hair. Why isn't my hair coming out like that? Or, they may be led to buy certain products to get that look. But this is how real 4C hair looks in a wash and go, guys. As you can see, you don't see perfect curls and clumps. So for the front section, I'm just parting off a side part just to give it a bit of style, and so that I do not manipulate the hair too much after it's dry. So you want to make sure that you do all your parting before you create your wash and go, because it can cause frizz and a lot more undefined parts if you manipulate your hair too much after it is dried. So I'm finally finished, and this is how it looks before it dries. So my hair is still very, very wet right here. And as you can see, you can barely see much definition with these products, and it does look a bit white while it's wet. But I'm going to be using a blow dryer to help to speed up the drying process, since it is late at night right now. If you do it earlier in the day, you can probably get away with just air drying it, but I didn't want to go to bed and mash it up too much. So this is my hair completely dried. So I blow dry for about 10 minutes and then I let it continue to air dry for a few hours before I went to bed. So this gel doesn't create a crunchy feel or anything like that. My hair still feels extremely soft. It doesn't even feel like I put gel in my hair at all. So I'm going to bed right now. So I'm just going to be covering my hair with a satin bonnet. So I'm using my satin bonnet that I recently launched about a month ago. So it's at humbleglow.com. So definitely check it out down below if you're interested in getting a satin bonnet from my collection. And I'm just going to sleep on this wash and go overnight and then come back and show you guys how it looks in the morning. So it's the next morning and this is how my hair looks, guys. I don't know. It didn't even look like I put in all that effort. It just looks regular. I would say that that gel is very light. It is too light for 4C hair, and it did flake up a lot with the leave-in conditioner for some reason. But this isn't a gel I would recommend for our hair type. It will probably perform better on type 3 hair or something like that. But this is the end result of my wash and go. I did try my best, and this is how it came out, child. It only lasted about a day and I had to put it up. But thank you all so much for watching my wash and go video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and make sure that you give this video a rating. Leave a comment about your favorite wash and go combo down below.